Hey, good morning, YouTube. Cooper's Automotive, 2004 GMC. This is an Envoy. Had to think about that for a minute. Envoy. It's got the 4.2 liter. It was towed in yesterday, so it's early morning here, and it's easier for me to test cars in the morning when I don't have phones ringing, customers coming in on me, and doing all that because my wife's not in today. Anyway, no crank, no start. Yesterday I scanned it and I had a code, I think it was P1633. Anyway, I ran diagnostics on that, and I was missing power though on my ignition one going to my computer underneath the hood. I tested all my fuses on it and they were all good. Let me think about this for a minute. Oh, at the computer it was on the blue connector terminals numbers 19, 20, and 21, and 19 didn't have 12 volts on it with the ignition key on. Let me show you something here real quick. Okay, I don't know if you can see this, but right here are the fuses for that. So you got a 10 amp and a 20 amp, and that's fuse 22, and that's fuse 20 and 47, the one under the hood, one under the back seat back there. They were all good. There's your pin out of your computer plug. If you have one that does have power on all those feeds coming to it, this thing would not come out of park. But what I noticed was the dash lights, nothing. Let me see if we can see this right there. Dash lights. Turn the key on. Now they're working. Okay. But let me see if I can get them to go out. Where is it? There we go. All right. See that? All I'm doing is right here. Get my light. My finger out of the way too. Ignition switch right there. All I'm doing is pulling down on it. So we've got a bad ignition switch. Simple as that. So if you run across one of these, you're looking at it, that red wire, power, that orange wire is power, and just above that orange wire is a pink wire. That is our ignition one wire, and we had no voltage on that wire. So I'm gonna put an ignition switch on it. I know it's gonna fix it. We're gonna start because I can pull down on this now and start this vehicle. Thanks for watching, coming along with me on my journey, and see ya.